Hi everyone, we are getting ready to start week 4. That means we are 2/3 of the way through our 6-week class. Good job hanging in there so far. By the middle of this week, you should be wrapping up chapter 5 on the polynomial and rational functions. Then our next module is our last one on functions per se, and that is exponential and logarithmic functions. Now this might be newer content for some of you, so be sure you are checking out under course content, look at the module folder and look for the additional resources. If you're not finding the help you need there, please let me know. I will find something else or make something else for you and for the rest of the class to help you get through this content. Okay, one last thing, and that's on discussions. So when you're coming in here and you're going to do your discussion post, let's say for polynomial and rational functions, note the instructions. It says, use the learning outcome as the subject of your post. That's not because I'm just picky. It's because these are the building blocks for the portfolio portion of our final exam. So when it comes to that portfolio portion, you're going to have to address right on 3 of our learning outcomes. You may have addressed it previously in a discussion post, but it's going to be a little more involved than this. So you're going to have to use more than just one example. These are also designed to help you make sure that you will do really well on that portfolio portion. And so when you come back up here and you go to My Grades, after you've submitted a discussion post, be sure you come back in here and you look for any feedback. There is a View rubric. So the rubric tells you how I'm grading these posts, and I do, when it's questionable why you might have gotten marked down on something, I do provide some feedback there. So be sure you're taking a look at that, so by the time you come to the final exam, you've got it down and you know what you need to write to get a really good grade and be complete in your answers. Okay, I think that's it for this week. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Take care.